Sanito, also the same streak, finishing well when he goes to the left. He completed that, and he finished up in a nice jump hook plus a 3-point play coming up. Larry Fariseau, look at this. Let's operate from that side, going to the left. Goes to the middle now, but then he comes back and shoots it with the right hand. If he's at the baseline, likes to go to the left on the left side and use the blocks there. He's really good at that. Great move with his feet there.
Unti-unting nag-improve ito si Santos.
He's very good. He's probably one of the best centers in the land right now. Continuous, he's been a consistent member of the national team in that area.
Alam mo, Alaska hindi natatakot sumundot ng bola. Kuminsan, coaches will tell you, huwag susundot ng bola, pero sila sumusundot. And this turnover hurts Barangay Ginebra.
Ginebra also had more turnovers in the first half, which resulted in more points. Ginebra had 15 turnovers, 17 points conversion on the part of Alaska in that field. 7-point lead na dito para sa Alaska. Sila pa may possession.
And we're coming down to the 7-minute mark. Traveling.
Believe ka rin kay Willie Wilson. He's about 6'3" at the most. That guy is supposed to be 6'6", no? Pero, Pater, I mean that he is able to hold his ground against such a big guy, no?
The center of gravity kasi, at saka yung leg work kasi ni Wilson, ang lakas eh. At saka yung upper body niya, no? In the meantime, the G-Wab beginning to spark things. Quick release.
Ang galing ni Baguio sa mga banda sa Sige. Dalawang banda na pinakikita nito sa akin.
Banda rito, banda ron.
Yun ang sabi ng aking partner nung araw si Joe Cantata. Mahilig siya magpatawa ng gano'n.
Banda rito, banda ron. Ayaw, gumapang kaloob ng bola.
Las Casas eliminating the boys now and the possible point. And a foul by Ambrose, so that's going to mean 2 free throws for Tony De La Cruz.
2 fouls now against Ambrose. That was a shooter's move, Walang tira talaga, pero sige, sa free throw line ko na lang kukunin, sabi ni De La Cruz.
Nung nakikita mo, the speed factor is in favor of the Alaska Aces in this game, especially in the second and third. I've come to begin to believe that the PBA is changing more to a speed game, almost like the NBA.
Which is, I think, good for the fans, which high octane, you know.
Yeah, youth plays a big factor also there. Tapos meron kang speed game. But you have to control the balls or you have to make stops to be able to come up with a speed game. No?
Absolutely. For your free throw shooting, brought to you by BMEC Derby Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Yamado. Yamado, Alaska, 65-56. Salamat sa Barangay Ginebra. Baseline foul.
Gotta be on Sunny Toss. Eric Neck. Eric Neck ba yung pumasok na yan? Pang-apat na ni Sunny Toss yan. So, another big man. This time it's on the part of Alaska who's in foul trouble. Datan coming into the ball game to replace him. Biggest lead of the ball game for Alaska stands at 9 points. No team has scored by double figures in this ball game. Well, tira ni Edwards yun. Yung number 1. Aray! Hindi tinira ni Cyrus yun. Hindi, free throw shot yun. Pinasa niya. Pass ball ang tawag natin doon after the whistle. So, kundi sa penalty, side court throwing lang yan.
Si Baguio kasali na doon sa club natin na very few players na hawak pa lang ang bola, nag-bristle na yung tao na excitement,
I told him that about 3 years ago. He's expiring and I told him with Red Bull. Because Cyrus, you're becoming one of the more popular players in the PBA. And with this team, wala kang kalaban dyan. So I said, just take care of yourself and play hard.
And he has responded to that, and you know.
Mabait naman si Cyrus. Basically, mabait.
As we go below the 6-minute mark, the Alaska Aces will utilize a timeout. Back in the Queen City of the South, earlier we were able to catch up Domingo Boite, who is of course our host here for today's game.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity bringing two famous teams to Cebu. Thank you po sa PBA na giving us the opportunity to host them. And to all the Cebuano fans, maraming salamat po. And to all the PBA fans out there, thank you so much for this opportunity that you have given to the Cebuanos.
Okay, and always a pleasure. React daw ako, sabi naman.
Well, dagang salamat rin sa iyo.
Salamat.
No? Sana maulit yan.
Oo.
Pero imbitahin mo naman yung ibang teams.
Here's Baguio.
Senior yung Lucifer.
Alam niya, no?
So wala siya mapasaan at that stage.
Bangga ko nga dito.
Ay pako yung ating score muna dito. 65-56. Cyrus. Nusok na dito si Cyrus.
Time out agad dito. 30 siguro ito. Meron siyang up-fake na bago. Mukhang full time out ito. Balik tayo. And Baguio is team to town in any color he wants here in this third quarter. 5:13 to go.
Kaya ang nakagulat, hindi pa bumabalik dito si Willie Miller.
Matagal, ano?
Oo, mula nung first quarter, hindi siya bumalik. Hindi natin alam kung may sakit si Willie Miller. Bakit hindi na maibalik?
Running shot by Menk. He'll go visit the free throw line.
Well, ang nangyayari na lang dito sa Barangay Ginebra at the moment ko parang si Eric Menk lang at saka yung kanyang import na nagtatrabaho sa opensa. No?
Hindi, walang production.
Yung mga iba halos hindi mo, without really to help. You know, Tubi had a little run there. Pero wala far and in between, no? Importante yung may consistent na player na makakatulong sa yung bumalik.
Anong kutom mo, Dr. J? Nagpapakiramdaman pa sila bilang magkakampiyon si Miller at saka yung mga teammates nila.
Yeah, that definitely is true. I was really talking about
may nag-cue, ano?
My friend. Really, I think they really need him to come back. Wala naman sama ng loob si Willie sa Alaska, but obviously, lalaro ng mabigat yan, no? I mean, siyempre, kung si Baguio, pinaglalaro at sila sa kabila.
And the Hayes' official underwear of the PBA.
LA Tenorio had a cut lip there because he was elbowed, so, but after being stitched, taking care of, he's back in the ball game.
They don't have cut men in basketball, but they've done a good job. He's now gone.
Really with a nice block. I think that was Larry Fonacier was trying to take that shot, so
nabasa ni Willie, no? Outside here. Yes!
Walter Brown. Nag-time out si Coach Jong. He wasn't happy about the lineup, what they were doing on defense, leaving Baguio wide open. So ito, nag-time out siya, pinalit niya lineup, pinaupo niya yung Amerikano niya. Dito muna, Agro Small.
Larry's open. Left short.
Agro Small and scramble sa rebound.
Go for it down under. And look at Tubit. Fight for it.
Actually, Tubit could have come back and gotten that because that is not going to be a backing if the ball hasn't crossed. Even if you have crossed, you can come back and pick it up if the ball hasn't crossed the line. Pero nag-alangan siya. That's why they almost lost it. Parang sa loob-loob niya. Baka mabaking ako.
Sanay sa takluhan.
Ayan, again, Hatfield. Small lineup, shooting 3-point shots. But a little bit quicker. Puro hustling ang ginagawa nila sa depensa. Oh, that's offensive foul. Put the head down there by Hugnatan, and Eric made sure that the referees
would see that. And now, Ginebra trying to whip up a storm here of their own. Alaska hanging on to a 6-point lead. I think that's my telephone that's ringing. Somebody, I'll get it. In the meantime, back to this one, 67-61. Tap of the keyhole. Hesitation by the major. Decision. His words are to be called. His turn to be called for the offensive